In this video, I will show you how to generate images using AI in Photoshop for free. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. In Adobe Photoshop you can now generate images using AI with the help of free ImageCreator plugin. It allows you to generate images from text prompts. Now, you can generate fictional characters, landscape scenes, and more art graphics in Photoshop quickly using AI. To use ImageCreator plugin, go to its website and then download the Adobe Creative Cloud plugin file. Double-click on the downloaded file and install it from the Adobe Store. After successful installation, you can just launch Photoshop and activate this tool from the plugins menu, or you can also access it from the sidebar. Start by creating a free account. I already have one, so I will just sign in and get started. The main UI of this plugin looks like this. Start by selecting a model from the list. It supports various text-to-image models such as Stable Diffusion. Next, you now need to specify a text prompt. So, define what you want it to generate with the necessary details. Select an area in the editor and then hit the Generate button. Give it a few seconds and it will generate 4 images for you. To add an image in your design, just select it and click Import button. The selected image will now be added to the designer, and from here you are free to do whatever you want. Similarly, you can add another image to the designer and keep doing this. Apart from image generation, it also supports other features and tools such as AI image upscaling. So, enlarge an image and then add it to the designer. This is as simple as that. In this way, you can use this ImageCreator plugin for Photoshop. It is your free AI-based copilot to help you create stunning graphics. While you are here, feel free to go watch other tech videos on our channel and don't hesitate to leave any feedback.